What's up, everybody? It's Joe from Passion Unchained. You might have noticed I changed the name from The Spot of Joe to Passion Unchained. Hopefully it gets better for the SEO because somebody I know was like, hey, I can't find your channel. What's going on with that? And I searched for The Spot of Joe, and then a bunch of election stuff popped up about Joe Biden, and I'm like, well, that's not good for my SEO. So I decided to change it back to Passion Unchained, which was the name I had it maybe a year ago or so, because hopefully it's more unique. Now, it takes about a week or so for YouTube to be like, yo, let me re-index everything and give you The Spot of Joe, give you Passion Unchained, and show you to people when they search for that. So I'm gonna keep checking, and hopefully Passion Unchained, it helps things and it changes things so that we're all good. But today, I'm going to do a little treat for you. A lot of you have been getting ads for Magic Spoon, and it's also one of Joe Rogan, the other cool Joe Rogan sponsors, and I actually used this code to get free shipping off of this. I don't have a code to give you yet. Magic Spoon, get at me, because I will get people on your shit, at least if it's good. This is an unboxing. I got one of their custom packs that make you buy 4. That's a grand total of 4. 4 cereal boxes in one. It's about $10 each, $39 total. And if you subscribe, it's a little less. So we're gonna see if it's worth it. I'm gonna give you a little unboxing today. All right, so this is a really interesting, I guess my address is there. I'll blur that out. This is really interesting to set up. I'm just doing it on my office chair because I guess it's more convenient. And then I got my iPhone set up there. So, let's see what's in this magic box. Magic Spoon. Some cool little graphics there. Well, check that out. The high-protein, keto-friendly, gluten-free, grain-free, soy-free, wheat-free, naturally flavored, totally delicious, childlike cereal for grown-up. Say that 5 times fast. Ha, that's funny. 7 ounces in each. It's $10 for this. It's kind of expensive. Got peanut butter, cocoa, and 2 salted caramel. I'm giving 1 to my friend who's doing keto. 3 grams net carbs, 11 grams protein, probably no fat. No, 5 grams fat. I was wrong. Milk protein blend, sweetener, monk fruit, and stevia allulose. Oil blend, that's it. Got avocado oil and shit. Cool. Well, let's try it out, because how are we going to do an unboxing without a taste test? Oh man, I feel really bad. I feel like an asshole because I set up the camera without, after I poured the cereal, so you didn't get to see me pour the cereal. But I already poured the cereal. Now you get to see me pour the milk at least. I'm not a huge asshole, I'm just a little bit of an asshole. This is a salted caramel Magic Spoon cereal. It's supposed to taste really sugary. Let's see if it does. Huh. The texture is kind of weird. It's good. It definitely tastes sugary. The texture is different though. I like the texture. It's just not exactly the same as cereal that I'm used to. It kind of tastes, the texture is kind of more like Captain Crunch, which I didn't expect because it looks like it's Cheerios. Like a little more mealy. Like Captain Crunch or like Reese's Puffs. It's good. It tastes sweet. It has some sweeteners in it. But no sugar. And it's got this thing called allulose, which is like it's technically a carb, but I think it's only like 0.1 calories per gram. And it doesn't process as carbs. Yeah, because it counts net carbs as like 10 grams net carbs. 1 of those is fiber, and then 3 of those is allulose. Sorry, 6 of those is allulose, so it says 6 grams net carbs. So, I don't know. It tastes good. I don't know if it's worth $10 a box. You know what? I think it's a nice thing to have. I'm gonna reserve judgment on that because it might be worth $10 a box. I'm gonna try these boxes and see how they fit into my life, and then I'll get back to you on that. I actually think it might be because when you think about it, if you go out to eat, if you compare it to going out to eat, then a breakfast would be like, I don't know, $5. But these are like a few breakfasts in there, and so maybe $10 a box makes sense. But maybe it doesn't. Maybe it's overpriced. So I'm gonna see how I feel about these after I finish the boxes, and then I'll let you know. Mm. Mm.